Good morning, my name is Barb Malera. I'm with the Heirloom Horticultural Company Harvesting History. For the 2022 gardening season, we have created 6 videos on lilies. The lilies that we offer are largely Asiatics and doubles. We hope that you'll enjoy and learn something from each of these videos. This video is about Harvesting History's Oriental double hardy lilies. The Oriental doubles tend to be slightly taller plants, ranging in height from about 34 inches to about 48 inches. In general, they are in the pink range with a few that are raspberry striped. The plants offer a broad number of blossoms on each blossom spire, and many of them are fragrant. They have a fully double layer of petals in each blossom. This is the Oriental double lily known as Isabella. This lily changes year to year. Now this year it's blooming with deeper pink petals than I've ever seen on it before, and it's been blooming for us about 4 to 5 years. The plant itself blooms mid-season in the lily season and gets to be a consistent 38 to 40 inches tall. The double effect is very nice and not often seen in lily gardens. And that deep raspberry coloring near the center of each petal is intriguing. But I must tell you, in prior years, it was not this deep. So this is the double Oriental lily, known as Isabella. If you have enjoyed this video, please come to our website, www.harvesting-history.com, where you can purchase heirloom, non-GMO vegetables, flowers, and herbs. Please like, subscribe, and share with your friends our channel. On the left side of your screen, there is our most recent video, and on the right side of your screen is one of our playlists. We are Harvesting History, seeding the future.